here again, and we're checking this out. We finally got this motor running. It's been idle for quite a while. This is a 18 Evanderune class twin. She's 1957 model, actually older than me. So there we go. But she's purring like a kitten right now, and we're going to see what this thing will do. Basically, we're stopped right here now. We're at Bellwood Lake up in Fergus, Ontario. It's a reservoir. As you can see, water levels are down. Then behind us, we got a wind to our tail end, so that's going to be to my advantage. But anyway, let's see what this baby can do.